10 serious mistakes you're making when eating bananas. Stop now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you think about one of the world's most popular fruits, bananas. What if I told you that the way you're eating bananas could be sabotaging your health, your energy levels, and even your weight loss goals? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's true. Bananas are a nutritional powerhouse packed with potassium, fiber, and vitamins. But here's the kicker. If you're making these 10 common mistakes, you're not getting the full benefits, and you might even be harming yourself without realizing it. In this video, we're revealing the 10 serious mistakes you're making when eating bananas, why they're so harmful, and how to fix them. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a bonus tip on how to get the most out of your bananas for maximum health benefits. This isn't just another food video, this is a wake-up call. So, grab a seat and let's get started. Mistake number 1. Eating overripe bananas. Let's start with the first mistake, eating overripe bananas. While brown, spotty bananas are great for baking, they're not ideal for everyday eating. Overripe bananas have a higher sugar content and a lower nutrient density compared to slightly green or yellow bananas. This can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, leaving you feeling sluggish and hungry soon after. What the research says, overripe bananas have a higher glycemic index, which can lead to energy crashes and weight gain over time. What to do? Opt for bananas that are yellow, with a few green tips for the best balance of nutrients and sweetness. Why it's harmful? Overripe bananas can contribute to blood sugar imbalances and reduce the nutritional benefits you get from this fruit. Mistake number 2, throwing away the peel. Here's a mistake you probably make every time, throwing away the peel. Did you know that banana peels are edible and packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamin B6, and potassium? Banana peels also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. What the research says, studies show that banana peels can help lower cholesterol and improve gut health. What to do? Try blending banana peels into smoothies or cooking them in soups and stews. Just make sure to wash them thoroughly first. Why it's harmful? By tossing the peel, you're missing out on a treasure trove of nutrients and health benefits. Mistake number 3, eating bananas on an empty stomach. Next up, eating bananas on an empty stomach. While bananas are a quick and easy breakfast option, they're not the best choice to start your day. Bananas are high in magnesium and potassium, which can cause an imbalance in your electrolytes if eaten alone on an empty stomach. This can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and even heart palpitations. What the research says, eating bananas alone can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. What to do? Pair your banana with a source of protein or healthy fat, like peanut butter or Greek yogurt, to stabilize your blood sugar. Why it's harmful? Eating bananas alone can leave you feeling tired and hungry soon after. Mistake number 4, ignoring portion sizes. Here's a mistake that's easy to make, ignoring portion sizes. While bananas are healthy, they're also calorie-dense and high in natural sugars. Eating too many bananas in one sitting can lead to weight gain and blood sugar spikes, especially if you're not active. What the research says, a medium banana contains about 100 calories and 14 grams of sugar. What to do? Stick to 1 to 2 bananas per day and balance them with other fruits and vegetables. Why it's harmful? Overeating bananas can contribute to excess calorie intake and sugar overload. Mistake number 5. Not pairing bananas with protein. Here's a mistake that's costing you energy. Not pairing bananas with protein. Bananas are high in carbs but low in protein, which means they won't keep you full for long. Adding protein to your banana snack can help stabilize your blood sugar and keep you satisfied for hours. What the research says, pairing carbs with protein can improve energy levels and reduce cravings. What to do? Enjoy your banana with a handful of nuts, a spoonful of nut butter, or a slice of cheese. Why it's harmful? Eating bananas alone can lead to energy crashes and overeating later in the day. Mistake number 6, storing bananas incorrectly. Here's a mistake that's ruining your bananas. Storing them incorrectly. Bananas release a gas called ethylene, which speeds up ripening. Storing bananas in a plastic bag or next to other fruits can cause them to overripen too quickly. What the research says: ethylene gas can cause bananas to spoil faster and lose their nutritional value. What to do? Store bananas on a banana hanger or away from other fruits to slow down ripening. Why it's harmful: improper storage can lead to food waste and reduce the shelf life of your bananas. Mistake number 7. Eating bananas at the wrong time. Here's a timing mistake: eating bananas at the wrong time. Bananas are high in magnesium, which can relax your muscles and make you feel sleepy. Eating bananas late at night can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling groggy the next day. What the research says: bananas are best eaten in the morning or as a pre-workout snack for an energy boost. What to do? Enjoy bananas earlier in the day to maximize their energy-boosting benefits. Why it's harmful: eating bananas at night can interfere with your sleep cycle and digestion. Mistake number 8. Not washing bananas before peeling. Here's a hygiene mistake: not washing bananas before peeling. Even though you don't eat the peel, bacteria and pesticides on the surface can transfer to the fruit when you handle it. What the research says: studies have found harmful bacteria and pesticide residues on banana peels. What to do? Rinse bananas under running water before peeling to remove any contaminants. Why it's harmful: skipping this step can expose you to harmful chemicals and bacteria. Mistake number 9. Ignoring organic options. Here's a health-conscious mistake: ignoring organic options. Conventional bananas are often sprayed with pesticides, which can leave residues on the peel and affect your health. What the research says: pesticides on bananas have been linked to health issues like hormone disruption and allergies. What to do? Choose organic bananas whenever possible to reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. Why it's harmful: conventional bananas may contain pesticide residues that can harm your health over time. Mistake number 10. Not freezing overripe bananas. Here's a waste mistake: not freezing overripe bananas. Instead of tossing them, you can freeze overripe bananas for smoothies, baking, or homemade ice cream. What the research says: freezing bananas preserves their nutrients and reduces food waste. What to do? Peel overripe bananas, slice them, and store them in a freezer bag for future use. Why it's harmful: throwing away overripe bananas wastes money and contributes to food waste. Bonus tip: how to get the most out of your bananas. Now, here's your bonus tip. To get the most out of your bananas, try these creative ideas. Banana smoothies. Blend frozen bananas with almond milk, spinach, and protein powder for a nutrient-packed drink. Banana bread. Use overripe bananas to make healthy banana bread with whole grain flour and nuts. Banana ice cream. Blend frozen bananas for a creamy, guilt-free dessert. Banana chips. Slice bananas thinly, bake them, and enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Pro tip: add a pinch of cinnamon or cocoa powder to your banana recipes for extra flavor and health benefits. Conclusion: bananas are a delicious and nutritious fruit, but only if you're eating them the right way. By avoiding these 10 serious mistakes, you can maximize their health benefits and enjoy them to the fullest. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you been making any of these mistakes? What changes will you make after watching this video? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing food tips. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. See you in the next video.